Hey guys, it's Anna, aka the No Budget Solo Travel Girl, and today we'll check out 5 beautiful, amazing places around the world where hitchhiking is common and relatively safe. Of course, you guys already know there are risks to hitchhiking, and especially if you're a woman, it's safer to go with somebody, or even in a small group of people. But there are some places where there is an actual culture of hitchhiking, and you can get safe rides pretty easily. So let's dive in. 1. Florianópolis, Brazil. Brazil is usually not a safe country, especially for a solo traveling woman. However, there is an island in South Brazil called Florianópolis that seems to be an exception. There are definitely hot spots for hitchhikers near the Federal University, but if you're lucky, you might get rides to discover the entire island for free. 2. Satun, Thailand. Thailand is one of the safest places to hitchhike in the world. The Satun province in South Thailand is known for its friendly locals and scenic routes. People in Satun usually welcome hitchhikers with open arms and can offer rides to Bangkok or even Malaysia. 3. Tbilisi, Georgia. Going from Tbilisi to other places in Georgia or coming back to the capital is pretty easy as a hitchhiker. Whether you're exploring the historic wonders of Metskita, the natural beauty of Kazbegi, or the coastal allure of Batumi, hitchhiking offers a convenient way to connect with the local culture. 4. Anywhere in New Zealand. The country is also known to be one of the safest in the world, so it might be the best place to start hitchhiking if you have never tried. 5. Nauru, Micronesia. Well, that's because it's a remote island in the Pacific Ocean, and, unfortunately, it's actually disappearing with climate change and rising sea levels. It's a small island, so you can even walk to places, but if you're tired, ask for a ride.